Now let us define function. How to define a function? Fx equals to x square. Right. Now take the input and output. What is in inputs? We have take 1 2 3 4 and the output is 1 2 3 4. Now you can say that when you apply function, if you have an inputs, then you want an outputs by applying this, right? Now how do you define that what we have inputs, it's applicable for this function or not? If you take any function and input is other, then it is not applicable in all the functions, right? So we have to firstly check this function is applicable on this domain or not. It is well defined in this domain is not. Firstly, if you have any function, then you have to check firstly it is well defined on the domain or not, what you have inputs. Okay, now firstly we have to check that it is defined or not. It is not a well defined function. How? Because when you take the image of 1, then it is 1, 2, then it is 4. What is the image of 3? There is no image of 3 in codomain and there is no image of 4. So this function is not applicable on this domain. So it is not well defined function. Now let us take domain and codomain different. Now when we change the domain and codomain, let 1 and 2 is the domain, is in domain, and the 1 2 3 4 it is in codomain, right? And then now let the function fx equals to x square, right? The function is well defined, right? Because in domain every element has image. Then now find out what is domain. Domain is 1 2 and codomain is 1 2 3 4, right? Codomain have different numbers but no any image in domain. Range is 1 and 4, right? Range is shorter than codomain, but it is not, but in the some function for it is equals to also. Now let us find it is 1 1 or not. This function is 1 1 or not. So we have to check fn is equals to fm, which is equals to nm, n equals to m, then it is 1 1. Now x square, I have function x square, then n square is equals to m square. Let us take n square minus m square is equals to 0. This is gives you n is n minus m, n plus m is equals to 0. This gives you n is equals to m or n is equals to minus m. We have to check only n is equals to m, then we have take it from this function, so it is a 1 1 function. Now let us check it is an onto or not. For each x, for each y there exists at least one x in domain. So x square have a function x square is equals to y. So x